Tamad ka ba? May mga bagay ba na alam mong kailangan mong gawin? Dapat mong gawin? Pwede mo namang gawin, pero hanggang ngayon hindi mo ginagawa. Or maybe you keep telling yourself that you will start a business, you will start your new career, you will start creating content, you will start creating value, you will start building relationship with the community, or maybe building relationship with your clients, you will start making friends, you will start something new, pero hanggang ngayon hindi mo sinisimulan. Baka nga tamad ka lang talaga. Pero to be honest with you, I firmly believe na walang taong tamad. Pero may 5 dahilan bakit tayo tinatamad. Think about it. Wala naman tamad eh. May mga tao lang na mas masipag kumain, mas masipag matulog, mas masipag gumawa ng bagay na hindi related sa mga goals at pangarap nila. And some of these people are really happy with what they are doing, especially in the short run. Kasi iba tambay lang talaga, nantitrip sa internet, nang-hate sa internet, gumagawa ng kalokohan. They are making fun of people na nagsisimula sa buhay na gusto nilang makuha. For them, it's fun. Initially. So, sinisipag sila dun sa mga bagay na yon. So, we will talk about this in a context na gusto mong yumaman, gusto mong maging successful, and you wanna move forward in your life. You want improvement. You wanna progress in your life. So, if that is you, gusto mong yumaman, gusto mong maging successful, gusto mong makatulong sa mga mahal mo sa buhay, you want to achieve your goals and dreams, watch the whole video because I'm gonna share with you the top 5 reasons why you procrastinate. And this is based on my experience. By the way, my name is MJ Lopez and I've been building businesses for more than 18 years, transforming the lives of people in the process. From zero to millionaires, from millionaires to multi-millionaires. And I also have the privilege to work with billionaires who wants a well-rounded will of life. And I've worked with thousands of people already. So nakita ko ano yung dahilan bakit ba tayo tinatamad. And for me, this is the right time to talk about procrastination. Because as you can see, I am in New York right now, but I'm still working. Not because I have to, but because I have a commitment to my audience and I have a commitment to myself. Nangako ako sa sarili ko na every Sunday, mag-upload tayo ng podcast. So even if I am in New York right now, I'm gonna be sending this to my team in Laguna. They're gonna edit it, so we still have a podcast episode. Even if nagkasakit ako, nawalan ako ng boses, plus I'm in New York right now. So let's begin. Here are the top 5 reasons why you procrastinate. Number 1 is you don't have a goal. You don't know what's in it for you if you will take action. I've seen a lot of people who have the skills, who have the resources, who have what it takes, and they are working really hard on something else. But the thing is, they don't have a goal. Wala silang gustong makuha, wala silang gustong ma-achieve. They are going hard on playing around. I'm gonna give you examples. There are people who like playing games. There are kids who like playing games, right? If they don't have a goal to finish a game maybe an RPG game na sobrang nakaka-excite, sobrang ganda ng kwento, if they don't want to get things done, kung wala yun sa habit nila at sa programa nila, if they don't have that goal, hindi nila yan tatapusin. They will buy multiple games, tapos magtatry sila ng iba't ibang laro, so wala silang natatapos. Kasi nga, wala silang goal. So masipag sila maglaro, pero marami silang nilalaro. If we will talk about building your career, if you don't have a goal to move forward in your career, to get promoted in your job, or maybe in the future, to become business partners with the owner. Because it's possible. If you can create massive value in that company that you're in, you can be part of the business, you can have equity. But you have to provide value. It has to be your focus, kumbaga. Pero kung wala yun sa goal mo, you will be distracted. Kung ano-anong babasahin mo, kung ano-anong iniisip mo, you will overthink. You will overstimulate yourself with something else, kaya nagmumukha kang tamad. Pero hindi ka naman talaga tamad eh. Tinatamad ka lang, kasi nga wala kang goal. And most of the time, napupush lang naman tayo na mag-decide kapag may nangyaring hindi maganda. One major example is nung na-scam kami. Imagine, galing kami sa hirap. Yung lola ko dating katulong. Nanay ko single mom. So basically, nung nabuntis siya, pinalayas kami. So mahirap na, pinahirap pa. But she made a firm decision. At the age of 16, naging milyonarya si mama ng 19. Imagine that. So I saw the process. She's so inspiring. Siya yung motivation ko. Nakita ko sa kanya kung paano magnegosyo, kung paano niya inangat yung buhay namin. So basically, nag-i-improve yung buhay. Up until, nung 16 ako, na-scam kami. During those times, it was extremely unfortunate. My mom was actually crying almost every night. And that made me decide. So if you think about it, ikaw, kung tinatamad ka, naisip mo ba na magsisipag ka rin naman? Naisip mo ba na magte-take ka rin naman ng action, pero hinihintay mong magkaroon pa ng emergency. Hinihintay mo yung dramatic experience na dapang-dapa ka na sagad ka na bago ka mag-take ng action. I'm here to tell you that if you won't push yourself, life will push you. So you have to set goals. The goal has to be specific, It has to be measurable. It has to be possible. It has to be attainable. But of course, attainable siya pero dapat risky din siya. Dapat may stretch ka. Dapat mapipiga ka ng konti. So that it will be part of your growth. Dapat time-bound. May malinaw kang deadline. Ito pa, isa sa pinakamahalaga. Nakaka-excite dapat yung goal mo. Meaning, it's your goal for yourself. Yung goal mo para sa sarili mo. Hindi goal ng ibang tao para sa'yo. At dapat relevant yung goal mo so that it will create momentum. So when you collect evidences that you can, this can bring abundance to your life. Kahit maliliit na goals lang yan, pag pinagpatong-patong mo yan, magiging million yan. Because if you understand, if you know what's in it for you, you will take action. So baka kaya ka tinatamad, wala kang goal, or maybe may goal ka pero hindi malinaw sa'yo yung goal mo. Hindi siya specific, hindi siya klaro, wala siyang deadline. So basically, wala siyang urgency. O kaya naman, baka ikaw mismo hindi ka na-excite sa goal mo. Kasi baka hindi mo yun goal. Baka goal yun ng ibang tao para sa'yo. So I want you to reflect right now. Number 2, you don't know who you are, what you want, and what to do. So basically, kung hindi mo kilala sarili mo, natural, hindi mo rin alam kung ano yung gusto mo. Pag hindi mo alam kung ano yung gusto mo, hindi mo rin alam yung gagawin mo. So the main reason why tinatamad tayong mag-take ng action kasi baka hindi natin alam yung kailangan natin gawin. So bottom line, we don't have clarity. And clarity is extremely important. If you think about it, halimbawa, meron kang jowa na gustong-gusto mong makita. Let's just say it's a long-distance relationship. Tapos mahal na mahal mo talaga siya. Gustong-gusto mo siyang makita at miss na miss niyo yung isa't isa. So basically, there's an elevated emotion, gustong-gusto mo, at nai-excite ka, naiisip mo pa lang na makakasama mo siya, nai-excite ka na, di ba? So let's just say, nag-set kayo ng deadline. That would be the goal. Nag-set kayo ng deadline. Okay, magkikita tayo. Itong exact araw na to, itong oras na to. What will you do? Di ba, you will prepare. Magpe-prepare ka, maghahanda ka, paghahandaan mo. Ano isusuot mo? Magkano budget papunta sa kanya? Ano yung mga pwedeng kainan? Ano yung pwedeng yung gawin? Unti-unti, inaalam mo yung mga bagay na gusto niya. You will do your research because you love the person. Ngayon, dadating na yung takdang araw. Ngayon, kinabukasan, aalis na. Tapos, kinabukasan, magkikita na kayo. So, excited ka na ngayon, hindi ka na makakatulog, kinakabahan ka na, ninenervyos ka na, nakaready na yung isusuot mo. Let's just say, pupuntahan mo na. Biglang umulan. Tuloy ka, hindi. Tuloy, kasi pwede ka magpayong, pwede ka mag-hoodie. Na traffic. Tuloy, kasi makakarating at makakarating ka naman eh. Nasimulan mo na eh. Nasa journey ka na eh. So, bakit pag para sa jowa, willing tayong gawin? Kasi baka mahal mo. Kasi baka na-excite ka. Kasi malinaw sa'yo na gusto mo siyang makita. So basically, you have clarity with what you want. So kung para sa ibang tao, pwede mong gawin, bakit hindi mo kayang gawin para sa sarili mo? Bakit hindi mo kayang mag-set ng goal para sa sarili mo? Or at least para sa pamilya mo? At alam nyo ba guys, you will see people taking massive action. Like consistent action. Masipag naman eh. Pero walang nagiging resulta, tama? So pag walang resulta for a long time, tatama rin din yan eh. Kasi pwede niyang sabihin na, Sir MJ, masipag naman ako, ginawa ko naman lahat, pero wala pa rin resulta. But you have to understand, baka kaya walang resulta kasi hindi aligned sa pagkatao mo yung ginagawa mo. Hindi aligned with what you want, hindi aligned with who you are. Or maybe hindi aligned yung ginagawa mo with who you want to become. Baka akala mo lang may goal ka, baka akala mo lang may pangarap ka. Pero hindi pala siya malinaw kasi hindi siya aligned sa pagkatao mo, sa gusto mong future. So basically, clarity is the key. So you have to know who you are or who you want to become. That is why we have a podcast around this. It's about the top 3 questions you must ask yourself. The what, who, and why question. We're gonna be putting the link somewhere here in this video. Number 3, you are fickle-minded. Pabago-bago isip mo. That also means you are distracted. Pero yun nga nasabi ko na to kanina. If you don't have a goal, if you don't know who you are, kung hindi ka firm sa decision mo, automatic madidistract ka talaga. Pwedeng mamaya gusto mo mang chicks, bukas gusto mo ng manlalaki, things like that. Pwede ngayon gigil na gigil ka magnegosyo. Tapos after mong manood ng isang video, gusto mo naman mag-vlog. Tapos nakapanood ka ng video, yumaman sa paggawa ng kalokohan, ginawa mo din, ginaya mo din. Maybe you already have a business and slowly it's working for you. Pero nakita mo may bagong trend, may bagong uso. Imbes na mag-stick ka sa ginagawa mo, na-distract ka. So yung negosyo mo na nag-create na ng results, nag-fail pa. Lalo ka ngayon tatama rin. Guys, it's not about joining the trends. It's not about having a trendy product. It's about having a product that creates value for a long, long time. Hindi ito usapang uso. Usapang produkto at negosyo na magtatagal sa marketplace. At yung mga nauuso, gagamitin mo siyang tool in a form of marketing to get attention. Pero hindi mo pwedeng bilhin yung idea na yon. Dapat mag-stick ka sa idea mo. At very important na mag-stick ka sa ginagawa mo. Especially if it's already working for you. If it's not working, don't be afraid to try something new. But for you to get results, you have to stick to it first. Hindi ka pwedeng distracted. Hindi ka pwedeng fickle-minded. Hindi pwedeng pabago-bago isip mo. You know what guys, I've seen real multi-millionaires na hindi pa talon-talon ng industriya. You will see multi-millionaires na ang negosyo sako ng bigas. Alam nyo ba guys, I've seen a lot of multi-millionaires. I also have the privilege to be working with billionaires. At yung iba sa kanila guys, napaka-boring ng negosyo nila. As in, hindi mo inaakala na yun yung negosyo nila. Pero nag-stick kasi sila doon. Don't get me wrong. Gagamitin mo ang trend, ang social media for marketing. Because let's be real. Because of social media, because of the internet, because of the technology that we have right now, mas madaling yumaman ngayon. Kaya it's safe to say na kung masipag ka at maota ka, yayaman ka talaga eh. Kaya lang ang daming tamad ngayon. Kasi yung technology, nag-create ng opportunity at nag-create din ng distractions. Kaya nga mahalagang aralin nyo yung 5 dahilan. And most of us, masyado tayong distracted. Kahit yung mga negosyante, okay na sana yung negosyo nila eh. Okay na yung ginagawa nila eh. Kaya lang distracted sila, fickle-minded sila. Pabago-bago sila ng isip. Walang masama na nag-aaral ka, nag-acquire ka ng knowledge, basa ka ng libro, nakikinig ka sa mga influencers. Kaya lang, kung sobrang dami mong pinakikinggan, tapos magkakaiba ng sinasabi, baka malito yung mindset mo, baka malito yung utak mo. Eh, hindi mo pa nga kilala yung sarili mo. Di ba hindi pa malinaw sa'yo kung sino ka? Paano mo malalaman kung alin ka do sa isang mentor, sa isang influencer, sa isang negosyante, sa isang libro, sa isang author, kung ikaw mismo hindi mo kilala yung sarili mo? So, very important that you have clarity. Let's do this exercise. If you are wearing a pants, like a maong pants, yung pantalon na maong, na may zipper, I want you to look at the brand of the zipper. Kung hindi ka nakapantalon ngayon, punta ka sa damitan mo, kumuha ka lang ng kahit anong maong na pantalon. Or basta pantalon na may zipper. And I want you to look at the brand of the zipper. There's a huge chance na ang nakalagay dyan ay YKK. Kung YKK ang zipper ng pants mo, mag-comment ka. So we will all know. Alam nyo ba guys, YKK is the biggest zipper manufacturer in the world. Isipin nyo guys gumagawa lang sila ng zipper. Pero kumikita sila ng around $10 billion per year. Imagine that, zipper. Who would have thought? Kasi malaki ang market share nila sa buong mundo. Which means that if you are creating value, you will get market shares. You won't be able to create that value if you are distracted, if you are fickle-minded, and if you don't know who you are. So kung wala kang goal, hindi mo makikilala kung sino ka. At kung hindi mo kilala kung sino ka, hindi mo rin alam yung gagawin mo. Hindi mo alam yung mga bagay na gusto mo. Hindi mo rin madidiscover yung mga bagay na gusto mo kung hindi ka magsisimulang mag-set ng goal. So what will happen is, you will be distracted, you will be fickle-minded. Kaya ka tinatamad. Number 4. You are listening to the noises of expectations, the noises of negativity, toxicity. Masyado ka kasing nakikinig sa sinasabi ng ibang tao. Like this video. This video is not about me. This video is based on research. This video is based on results, based on my experience, understanding human behavior, working with thousands of people for 18 years. Hindi po ito hula. At wala rin akong sinabi sa'yo na ito yung piliin mong goals. Dapat may sports car ka, dapat may maganda kang kotse, dapat naka-e-bike ka or whatever, right? So you have to have a goal. Your goal for yourself. Hindi ko sinasabi na dapat meron kang specific identity. Ikaw ang magbibuild ng identity mo. Because this video is about you. This video is for you. So maybe tinatamaan ka. Yung sinasabi ko masyadong masakit. But you have to take the bitter pill. This is about you. So the bigger question is, what do you want? Kasi pwedeng ang goal mo bumili ng kotse. Kaya lang, pag shinare mo yan sa maling tao, if you will share your goals with the wrong community, with the wrong people, who are not willing to listen to you, who are not willing to support you, those are just noises. Kukontrahin ka nila, ida-down ka nila. Kung ano-anong negative ang sasabihin nila. And the worst part is, pwede kang makinig. At pag nakinig ka, boom, tatamarin ka na naman. Pwedeng may girlfriend ka na mahal mo. Pwedeng may boyfriend ka na mahal mo. Kaya lang nilait ng tropa, nilalait ng mga tao sa paligid mo, ng pamilya mo. So you will give up that relationship. If you have a business na alam mo sa sarili mong okay, you have absolute certainty that this business will work. Sigurado kayo, may conviction kayo, ramdam mo alam mo na in the future, this business will create massive value, will change the lives of people. Kaya lang, nilait ng ibang tao, may sinabing negative yung ibang tao, pamilya mo, mahal mo sa buhay, maling community, maling mga kaibigan. What will happen to your business concept? What will happen to your business idea? Wala na. Tatamarin ka. Remember that procrastination is internal. So don't let external factors in your life make you procrastinate. Ang pagiging tamad, desisyon yan. Choice yan. So wag mong hayaan yung mga tao sa paligid mo na gawin kang tamad. Tapos pag hindi ka na nagte-take ng action, sasabihin nila, tamad ka kasi. Hindi ka tamad. Nakinig ka lang kasi sa kanila. Pumayag ka lang kasi na i-give up mo yung pangarap mo. Again, this is about you loving yourself. This is for you. Don't listen. Stop listening to the noises of expectations. and start listening to your own heart. Just maybe, you already know what you want. Nandito lang ako para mag-remind sa'yo. And number 5, you are doubting yourself. Baka naman may gusto ka talagang ma-achieve. Baka naman may gusto kang makuha. Baka naman may bagay na sobrang nakaka-excite sa'yo. Pero baka natatakot ka. Pero baka nagdududa ka na naman. Worse is, maybe naniniwala ka dun sa negosyo. Maybe naniniwala ka dun sa career mo. Maybe naniniwala ka na pwede kang yumaman dun sa gagawin mo. Pero baka ikaw yung hindi naniniwala sa sarili mo. Alam mo, regardless of the skills, regardless of the products that you have, regardless of the career, kahit sabihin natin usong-uso yan ngayon, kahit sabihin natin na sobrang galing mo sa ginagawa mo, if you don't believe in yourself, no one else will. Kung wala kang conviction, imagine paano ka magkuklose ng deal kung wala kang conviction? Paano ka haharap sa prospect, sa kliyente kung wala kang conviction, kung wala kang confidence? Paano mo ibebenta yung produkto? Paano ka mag-start ng bagong career? Paano mo maipaiintindi sa mga tao sa paligid mo, sa boss mo, yung value mo as a person para ma-promote ka? Wala ka nga confidence hindi ka nga naniniwala sa sarili mo Sabi nga ni Tony Robbins in one of his seminars, the strongest force in human personality is the need to stay consistent with how we define ourselves. So if you have a poor definition of who you are, you will have poor decisions, you will have poor choices, and you will get poor results. And poor results will guarantee procrastination. Tatamarin ka dyan. At kamusta yung magiging quality ng buhay mo? Hindi rin maganda. Now, here's the good news. If you can get rid of number 5, if you can believe in yourself, if you can just stop doubting yourself right now, and just look around you, ano yung gusto mo? Ano yung pwede mong mabili? Ano yung gusto mo for yourself or for your family? Just get rid of number 5 and just start setting goals. You will start to discover who you are. Or maybe define who you want to become. And what will happen next is mawawala yung distractions. Unti-unting madadivert yung utak mo. Unti-unting makakapag-focus ka na. Hindi ka na fickle-minded. Hindi na pabago-bago isip mo kasi malinaw na sa'yo kung sino ka. And it will create a chain reaction that will make you stop listening to the noises of expectations, to the noises of toxicity and negativity. So the bigger question now is how do we remove self-doubt? Since I want to create massive value with you, there are people here who probably already knows that I have a company. It's Worldwide Entrepreneurs. And if you don't have a business yet, if you don't have a career, you want to build a career, you want to try something new, you can try Worldwide Entrepreneurs right now. Our leaders would love to help you. But what if you are already in a network marketing company, you are a financial advisor, or maybe you are a startup entrepreneur, nagsisimula ka palang magnegosyo, maybe you are an OFW, and you still want to learn from me. That is why I created a course called Success Blueprint. Success Blueprint will eliminate the 5 reasons. Actually, Success Blueprint will also eliminate the reasons why people are not successful. The obstacles that we will face. Kaya nga siya Success Blueprint. And something related to this topic will be self-image. How you define yourself. Guys, here's the guarantee. In just 14 days, if you will immerse yourself in this course, the Success Blueprint course, you will stop procrastinating. You will understand who you are, and maybe you will start building a new self-image. Pag na-build mo kasi yung bago mong self-image, your actions and behaviors will be automatic. And we are already creating massive results. OFW, 1 month lang nakabili ng kotse, pangalawang buwan nakabili ng 2 kotse, pangalawang buwan isang kotse ulit, 3rd month, triple na yung income niya sa ginagawa niya sa abroad, 5th month, nakabili ng bahay sa Cavite. Guys, mind you, it was her 5-year goal. Nakuha niya in 5 months because of Success Blueprint. And right now, full-time na niyang ginagawa yung negosyo niya. We also have a professional employee in the Philippines. Ang tagal na nagtatrabaho. Ngayon, kakabili lang ng coffee shop. We also have network marketers from different companies. We have one student, top 1 ng Worldwide Entrepreneurs, soon to be Hall of Famer. We also have someone from being really depressed, now building her own team. Multiple career achievers. We have another network marketer from another company. In just a few months, nakuha niya yung mga incentive programs. Sobrang daming resulta, guys. We have a student na startup entrepreneur, nagtitinda ng bigas. Takot siya sa responsibility. According to her, ayaw niya ng responsibility. Ngayon, kakabili lang ng kotse at kakabili lang ng bahay. My goal here is to bring premium education from proven mentors like Tony Robbins, T. Harv Eker, Jim Rohn. I want to bring top-notch education to you for a very affordable price. Something that you can also understand because I will discuss with you 18 years of my experience. And guys, we will provide you with the support. We have a support team. We have an exclusive community. It's an online course, so kahit nasaan ka pwede. You will also get access to a workbook. You can print it anywhere you want, and it will be your roadmap for success as you do the course. And here's the most powerful part. We have mastermind sessions. And I'm hosting the live mastermind sessions. And all the sessions are recorded, which means that you can also access the past mastermind sessions as part of the program. Grabe yung value, guys. And since I wanna help you so bad, if you will enroll within the week, since we are building a new community for Success Blueprint, I will give you lifetime access to all the webinars we've done in the past. May mga 3-day webinars pa. Lahat ng recording namin, guys, ilalagay namin sa community. And you will get lifetime access to that if you will enroll right now. How do you enroll? Just visit www.successblueprint.ph. Just click Get the Course Now. Just fill out the information there, submit, and click Get the Course Now again. If you wanna pay via credit card, choose Send It Online Payments or PayPal. And you can always inquire through our page. It's MJ Lopez. My Facebook account is verified, guys, ha? May blue check po yan. And our support team would love to assist you. Tandaan nyo lang, guys, that this is about you. Because if you are not willing to invest in yourself, if you don't know what you wanna do, if you don't know what you want, then what are you doing? Anong gagawin mo araw-araw? What will you do? Or maybe you are doing something pero hindi related sa pagkatao mo, sa blueprint mo. Kamusta buhay mo? At ilang libo na yung nagastos mo sa walang kakwenta-kwentang bagay na hanggang ngayon hindi nakakatulong sa'yo. I'm here to tell you, baka ito na yung hinahanap mo. Because we've seen a lot of people doubting themselves, depressed. They are even doubting the course initially. Iniisip nila kung makakatulong ba talaga sa kanila, pero ngayon grabe. Yung iba nga 2 days, 3 days lang, nag-improve na yung buhay eh. Tandaan nyo, guys, I'm here to help. I want you to get the life that you truly want. For me to be able to help you, you have to be willing to help yourself. Just decide right now. So yun lang, guys, this is the end of the video, and always remember that all I want is for you to become more successful and for you to reach the next level success. Yun lang, guys, my name is MJ Lopez, and see you soon.